Hi guys, good morning from beautiful sunny Mazatlan. Look behind me here, the clear blue sky. There's not a cloud anywhere. Just a gorgeous day. So anyway, I'm happy to report that my Scotiabank replacement bank card that I've only been waiting a month and 3 days for has finally been released by Mexican Customs and yesterday. And this morning I got a message that my package is in Mazatlan at the sort facility. And then I got another message that says your package is out for delivery. So maybe I'll have it later today. I'm almost afraid to hope for fear I jinx it. Anyway, making progress. So it's been it's been a long month going without any money. Oh my God. So just be aware, if you're coming to Mexico on holidays or going anywhere on holidays for that matter, it may take a long time to get a replacement card if something goes wrong with yours. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll let you know if I get the card and if it works. Bye for now.